pretty much everything you need for every fishing situation. And I have consolidated into this little box here. So it's packed on this side. This side's actually got some room. And I have this little bag here. So this bag, I had pre-made some pompano rigs. So I'm definitely bringing this little bag. But I figured that's a decent compromise, right? I'm not bringing this entire, 30-pound bag. And hopefully she understands the sacrifice that I made for her today. Oh, and I'm also only bringing one fishing pole. By the looks of that surf fishing is going to be out. Found a little spot tucked off the main road. You can see the hotels in the back. There's a little putt golf place over here, and there's some fresh looking water over here. So we're gonna go see if we can dip our little minnow and see if we can get something to bite real quick. A really good looking water, but we're fishing at noon in Gulf Shores. This is pretty hot out here. No bites yet. All right, no bites here, and as you can kind of see, it's kind of a construction pool. I don't want to get in trouble by anybody, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. All right, so we pulled into the Gulf Shores campground, and it's got a pretty cool little lake over here. Apparently there's 2 lakes. Freshwater fishing license required. We're gonna dip our pole in and see if we can catch anything. So it's pretty impressive. They even have a legit boat launch. And they've got about 4 boats in the water right now. Alright, so my Gulp Alive minnow sat in the truck for half the day, and it is half the size as it normally is. It has like 0 action. It's just very hard. I'm now going to try this sort of lizard looking, I don't know, bug looking bait. I put 2 drops of Menhaden Super Gel on there, so we'll see if this can produce a bass. Alright, I do realize that a Kahle hook is more of a live bait hook, but by hooking it this way, I'm pretty sure that I can make this work. So I just missed a big bass. It was the first hit of the day, and I threw it right in his mouth. So I didn't even think it was a bass. Like I don't know. I didn't try and set the hook right, because I literally threw it right in his mouth, and I just thought I was snagged on something. So I totally missed him. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna set the camera down right here and see if I can throw it in the same spot and get him. Got him. I don't know if it's him or his friend, but we got one. Look how dark this bass is. Alright, so I don't know if this was the same one or his buddy, but look how dark this bass is. It's so crazy. He threw my my blue jig. I have to go to the car and grab another one. Alright, I just wanted to take one more clip with this bass. Real pretty fish, but he is so dark. It's almost like he's got algae on his fins. It's crazy looking. But anyway, I think we're gonna let him go. The original plan was to catch a couple bass and have dinner with my girlfriend, but I think she's been looking at some restaurants online, and she'd probably rather do that. Yeah, we're gonna let this guy go. See you, big guy. All right, we're back out here, this time with a proper worm hook. a little avocado looking worm. We're gonna see if we can get a little bit bigger guy. So far, just one 1-pounder. Really dark looking fish. You can see over here the sun's going down, so it's about that time for them to really turn on or really go to bed. So we'll see. Seeing some swirls. Whoa. Oh, I fucking scared some fish. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm wearing this thing on my chest. I don't know if y'all can tell if I don't quite have the same view as my head would see. Looks promising though. There's definitely some action. Working it slow. I guarantee if I was in a boat, I'd have at least 10 largemouth bass down that whole shoreline there. All right, so we just switched baits to a little blue flake lizard. It might make a slight difference, we'll see.